Okay, today we're going to make some pickled sauerkraut. The ingredients are white cabbage, beautiful red cabbage, and sea salt, lots of it, and a container to pickle it. First stage is to cut the cabbage nice and thinly. A nice big sharp carving knife, quite useful. As you know, I have a selection here because my knives keep getting blunted very quickly. And we literally just slice. We then get the slices, cut them in half, and we scrunch them up into the container to mix. Now at the moment I'm not putting any salt in there, I'm going to fill it up a little bit more, but that's the second stage. So salt has an osmosis effect, which means it pulls the liquids that are inside the cabbage leaf out, which then begins to form a brine. So at the moment you'll see there's no liquid at the bottom of the jar, but as I'm scrunching the salt into the cabbage, it's already starting to get moist as the liquids are starting to be pulled out. PJ helping me. Hello PJ.
Hi.
So we've chopped lots of cabbage up, we've added lots of salt to the cabbage we've chopped up, and you can already see the stickiness. If you zoom in a bit, see the liquid on the surface. That's all the brine coming out, and if you see the cabbage is actually softening up now, whereas here it's quite stiff. Okay, that's the process. The little fella keeps talking through the film, so I've stuck a leaf over his mouth to keep the noise down. Right, we've already cut the white cabbage, now we're going to cut the red cabbage. So you like to get a nice mix. Plus this is full of superb vitamins and minerals and all sorts of good stuff.
Okay.
Red cabbage is full of superb selection of minerals and vitamins and enzymes, and what the pickling does, what the sauerkraut does, it ferments these, enhancing the power of them and helping you rebalance. Okay, we've chopped loads of cabbage, we've added loads of salt. Now I've been scrunching it all into the cabbage, and if you look here, as you push this down, you can start to see the liquid forming at the bottom here.
It's been a month. We're about to open the jar of pickled cabbage and see what we've got. I'm just going to show you what's going on inside. Okay. So I have actually had a look at this a couple of times since. What you can see is we had a jar inside, and if you push down on the jar, like it was with the cup on top of it and the lid on, everything's submerged under a layer of pickling brine. And we're going to have a little taste and we're going to jar some up. Okay, before we do any pickling, we have to cleanse the containers we're going to put the sauerkraut in. So I boiled the kettle, very quick process, boiling hot water. And then put the lid on, give it a shake, leave it to stand for a few minutes, pour it out, and then you have a sterilised jar.
Here we have our beautiful, fresh, brand new sauerkraut. So we literally just jar it up like this. Now this is a superb pickle to have with practically any meal. It's a very sour taste. The salt turns to vinegar, and the very taste itself and all the goodness in it produces an enzymic reaction in the body, which is superb for your digestion. But you don't want to overdo it. Just a little bit goes a long way with sauerkraut, and with any pickles. But it's a superb way to accompany your meal if you like really good flavour. There we have it. Spreadlove sauerkraut, as we call it.